Hi, in my last video, I spoke about embracing sacred alchemy within yourself. In this video, I would like to share with you 3 ways to help you with your spiritual practices in assisting with the transmutation that you are going through. The reason why is that these 3 ways are very simple, but they will help you in being more grounded and supporting you through the processes of transmutation. It will assist in moving you into more of a expanded consciousness where you will be feeling more light, more clarity, and more understanding. These ways are very simple, and you can do these exercises, practices daily or 2 to 3 times during the week. The first way is to, when you wake up in the morning and you put your feet on the floor, is to say an affirmation. An affirmation that has the intention of creativity, of abundance, of light, and of gratitude. An example would be, I now step forth into my day in the vibration of light. I accept the energies of love and abundance to greet me. I am grounded in this day. Saying this affirmation or saying an affirmation every morning as soon as you put your feet on the floor brings in the vibration of grounding your intention on the earth. This is a powerful practice to do. You can do this every morning with your own affirmation. You can create your affirmation or use an affirmation that you resonate with. Doing this every morning or even a couple of times in the week will be enough to start that momentum of grounding, connecting, and putting your intention out for the day. The second way is to white light yourself. The reason that I suggest that you white light yourself daily or a few times in the week is enough too, is to clear your energy. Because we pick up so much vibrations on the external, and sometimes there's a lot of projections that are still sitting in our energy field that is affecting us and affecting how we are perceiving or how we're feeling during the day or throughout the week. The way to do this is very simple. While you're having a shower, imagine the water that's coming from the shower over you is white light, cleansing your energy field, cleansing your crown. The white light is going into your crown chakra, through your energy centers, cleaning, clearing your energy field, getting rid of all that muck, all those external projections and vibrations that you might have picked up during the day. Doing this every day is wonderful. But if you forget, that's okay. Couple times, few times in the week is just as powerful. The third way is an exercise in gratitude. You can do this every day, just for 5 minutes, whenever you'd like to do it throughout the day, just 5 minutes. Spend 5 minutes looking around your environment, looking around wherever you are. and moving into that energy, your thoughts of gratitude. An example is looking around your place, wherever you are, and stating, I am grateful for this beautiful day. I am grateful for this beautiful home that I live in. I am grateful for this warmth that I am feeling. I am grateful for the beautiful sky that is watching over me. Whatever it is, for you to move into that space of gratitude. It's what you see, it's what you're feeling, expressing that for 5 minutes each day during the week or whenever you remember is a very potent exercise, because what it does, it creates expansion and the coming in and the allowing and the acceptance of abundance to be manifested in your life. You can do these exercises daily, or 2 to 3 times a week is powerful and enough also. These exercises will move you, when you're doing it regularly, move you into an energy space where you're more grounded. And by doing them regularly, what occurs is you will start feeling the expansion of feeling good, of feeling great. And when we're feeling good, what occurs is the energy of manifestation, creativity starts being activated. That's on one level. And then on another level, when the activation occurs, the vibration of manifestation goes into where things and wonderful experiences starts coming through. So these exercises are really simple, but when you do it often and regularly, it'll help you with the transmutation and the sacred alchemy that you're in, but it also starts moving you into an energetic flow of co-creation, manifestation, inspiration, and most importantly, it grounds you. It grounds you for these activations.